Hedge funds, banks, investment firms, all are spending millions of dollars on integrating AI with their current trading platform. What impact is AI going to have on the retail trader, considering that this is happening? Hi, this is Lloyd with Black Bear Bill Trading, and as always, welcome. I'm absolutely glad you're part of my team. So, what impact is AI going to have on retail traders, considering that large financial institutions are literally spending millions of dollars on getting AI incorporated in their trading platforms? I mean, if you are like the average retail trader, I do not think, and don't let me be presumptuous here, but I do not think that you have millions of dollars at your disposal to buy into large data banks that you can then use to do analysis with. And as your trading platform, your AI-based trading platform, learns and adapts to market conditions, adds to that database, and retrieves again with now more information gathered specifically for the way you operate, the way you trade. Again, what impact is that going to have on retail traders? Are we now left out in the cold? Do we now stand any chance of having even mediocre success at best in trading, no matter what it is you're trading? Or is basically the retail trader doomed from here on forward? Well, first of all, there is definitely for certain that AI is going to have an impact on retail traders, but it's not all doom and gloom as the hype out there may want you to believe. It is going to change how retail traders interact with the way they trade. And the more disciplined trader, the more skilled trader will definitely do better than the quote unquote run-of-the-mill trader who is looking to make a quick buck. Brokers who cater to retail traders will definitely jump on the bandwagon as well, but that again will only benefit the disciplined trader. Brokers still make their money with spreads and fees and other charges that they may incur, but and it will stay that way. Brokers will not look to fight you when you use an AI-based bot, for example, to do your trading with, and then prevent to stop you or compete with you, so that their AI will now quote unquote knock you out cold. It's not going to happen. Brokers will, however, rely on AI and will start incorporating AI to make their systems much easier to use, faster, control spreads better, maybe possibly even have lower spreads because it's all AI controlled. But they're definitely not going to try and quote unquote kill the retail trader. Doing so would mean they put themselves out of business, and that's not going to happen. So, however, as I said, there is going to be an impact. And the impact for the retail traders, as I also said already, is going to be that those who have a much more disciplined approach, those who are actually willing to learn the trading skill, yes, it's a skill, they will actually benefit from that. And AI will definitely be very useful in that regard. For example, AI will help you to filter out bad trades. It will help you to detect quickly what market you're in. Are you in a buy market? Are you in a seller's market? It will help you with execution discipline so that you don't just jump on any trade because you're antsy, you have no patience, you had a couple of losing trades in a row, now you want to make some money. You get what I'm saying. It will also help you with having persistent risk control, so that you don't go and 1 minute you're risking 1%, next minute you're risking 5%. It makes it much more stabilized, much more even keel. So basically, you have much better control over your profit, and more importantly, that you keep your profit. So that is really the basis of what AI is going to do as far as retail traders are concerned. Now, in fact, AI will actually see to it that you follow the norm of less is better. What that means is you don't have to do more trades to be more successful. Just the opposite is true. AI will weed out good trades from bad trades. You'll take less trades, but the trades you take will be overall more profitable. Now, disclaimer here, I didn't say that once you start incorporating AI in your trading, that every trade you take will be profitable. No, again, that is hype that will not work. And AI will only see to it that the trades you do take have a much larger percentage of being profitable. So they're better quality trades. And the prediction model of where the future may go, which never worked to begin with, will now, with AI in the picture, will now be a complete thing of the past. So that is what AI will really do, or the impact AI will have on retail traders. Now, there is one thing that you can do immediately as a trader that not only will benefit you as an AI trader, meaning you have a mini bot where you incorporate some AI features, but you can do it right away, this instance, even if you don't want to get AI involved in your trading at all. And that is to make sure you check your spread. You don't want to trade high spreads. You don't want to trade when brokers are on a downtime and spreads now are super high. You don't want to, it's all putting needless money at risk that you really don't want to do. And I'm going to help you with this to make it a little easier for you. I am actually having a little utility that you can download, the link below. It's for free, that you can put on your chart. Works with MT4 only, sorry, but that's how it is. And it will actually give you the spread, what the current spread is. You set the default maximum spread. That's the only thing you have to set. And other than that, it will tell you whether it's safe to trade or not, just based on spread. If you follow just that and nothing else, right there alone, you will learn to become a much more disciplined trader. You will learn to not just jump into a trade because you're antsy, because yeah, you had losing trades and you want to make some money, you want to recoup, which by the way, I call that revenge trading, and it's always wrong as far as I'm concerned. You don't ever want to go into a trade because you lost money on a previous trade or on the previous 5 trades for that matter. You want to trade because the market tells you it's okay to trade. So download that little spread utility. It's a tiny little EA. You can load it on your chart and it will show you exactly what the spread is going at the moment, and how you can, whether or not it's okay for you to trade. I also have a little PDF file that you can download as well. Also, the link is below. It is what this video here is about, but it gives you a little bit more detail exactly how a retail trader can actually benefit from AI, as opposed to seeing it as a detriment because of large financial institutions investing millions of dollars into that product. I suggest you download it. It's only a page and a half long, 2 pages at the most. So very easy read, but very insightful. So let me show you the little spread utility. Like I said, it's absolutely nothing fancy, and you'll see it in a second. Let me move myself out of the way. right here. There we go. And I'll open up a new chart because I want to talk to you about this a little bit too in a minute. And I'll open up Euro USD. Doesn't matter what time frame you're on. And then I go to my indicators list right here. I take my little spread checker, load it on the chart inputs. It is set to the full 3. That's the maximum spread. You can set it to whatever you're comfortable with. Click on OK, and basically that's it. There you go. It tells you that right now for the euro, the spread is okay. It's a 2.0, which is obviously less, and it's updated live, as you see. It's obviously less than the default 3.0. It shows you right here. Spread checker has loaded, and the maximum allowed is 3.0. So right now it's at 1.9. It's safe to trade. So all you really need to do, at least now you know that as far as your risk is concerned with regards to paying excessive spread fees to your broker, that is no longer going to happen. And just by following this little tool, nothing else, you save yourself quite a bit of money by not taking trades that do not fall within this parameter. So that is what the little spread tool does. Again, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing major. If you want to get rid of it, you don't want it on your chart anymore, right click anywhere on your chart, click on Expert Advisor, click on Remove, and it's gone. It's really that simple. What I have here, and I want to talk about this very briefly, is my own little mini AI bot that I created. Right now I'm on a cool down. I'm waiting for 4 more minutes in between trades because every trade it takes, it automatically puts itself at a cool down period, and it checks. This bot basically is AI driven. This is data that I've saved over the course of 5 years and that I've stored on the cloud. And my AI goes and retrieves that data. It does analysis of the chart. It checks whether we're in an uptrend, buy trend, whether it's a position for a long window meaning a buy or a short window meaning a sell. It gives me scores based on strength of trend, price movement, volatility, momentum, and other factors, and it does all the analysis. It also calculates spread, as you can see right here, and it tells me whether a trade is allowed or not. So you see, even though I have AI incorporated, I do rely on spread before I take any trade whatsoever. But basically it has been running for a while now, and actually not that long, for about maybe 4.5, 5 days tops. And I want to show you what the results have been thus far. The diagnostic log I don't think is there yet, no, because that requires a minimum of 10,000 pips. Diagnostic log is what I track with regards to the entire overall bot, and it gives me very detailed information of exactly what the AI is doing. So I can tweak left and right if I have to. But going to trade, this is the result. It creates a new log per month. Right now we are in January, so I open it up, and here are the trades that have been taken. These trades have been closed, and it only records closed trades, tells me what the lot sizes are, tells me the currency pairs, whether it was buy, sell, and where the entry point was, stop loss, take profit, what slippage was approved. And you see some trades didn't get approved until they had a high slippage. I mean 10. So then close price and profits and losses. And as you can see, there are losses and there are profits. There was a slew of profits for a while, but there are also losses in between. So right now it's a little bit of a mixed bag. Thus far, it's actually ahead of the game, and I'll show you that as well. Let me again move myself out of the way here. So if I go to account history, since this has been running, this is what my total profit is. Like I said, it's been about not yet quite 5 days, but this is where we are, and that is what the whole system thus the AI system. So I'm testing this, and we'll see how it goes after it's been running for quite some time, maybe a few months, and I have a much better understanding of what this actually produces net, and whether or not it's even worth having a bot that is entirely AI based and keeping track of a database of past historical trading data, all that I've been saving up myself for, and keep adding to now with each day and every trade that the AI takes. So that's it. This is where we are at the moment. This is the video for today. I hope it gave you a little bit insight. Don't panic. AI is not the end of the world when it comes to retail trader. If anything, if now is the time for you to rack up on your trading skills, to rack up on your trading discipline, because you will really only benefit by doing that when AI is finally integrated with trading all over the world. This is Load with Black Bear Dog Trading, signing out. Thank you for being here, and as always, God bless.